been trying to teach my students how to do fractions, and I'm having a hard time. Is there any way that you can help me figure all this out? I just need something different, a change, something to where they can understand it.
Well, what would you rather do? You'd rather have some kind of tutorial thing, or games for the kids? Or?
Games would be better. I think they'd be more interested. The paperwork's just not working anymore. I've done worksheet after worksheet, and it's just not helping.
Well, I've got a website I was on the other day that I was just looking at.
What website is this?
It's Cool Math for Kids.
Okay.
It's math. It's got math games and
it has fractions
things.
too?
It's got fractions and interactive games that you can play with. You said fractions?
Yeah.
So you can go to the fractions, and then you can scroll down to the different
So it's coolmathforkids.com. Okay, yeah.
So yeah, go back up here. You can go over here. You got the fractions, and you got math games. If you go to math games, that was the tutorial that I was showing you.
Oh, okay.
But if you go to the math games and you hit numbers, it'll take you to the different number games, and you can scroll down, and it gives you.
Oh, that's neat. It has all kinds of stuff like adding and subtracting. Oh, that's cool.
It gives you all kinds of games for different.
What's this
math.
fraction splat? What do they do on there?
Fraction splat. When you pull that up, it's a game. Basically, it gives the kids the opportunity to learn what mixed fractions are.
So the object of the game is to find mixed fractions.
Yeah, well, there's different rounds. Each round's different. The first one, you'll find mixed numbers, which is basically mixed fractions, such as like 6 to the 2/3. And it gives you a chance to click on it. So when you click on it, it just splats it. So most kids like this game because...
What happens if they click the wrong answer?
If you click the wrong answer, you have wrong clicks. You have 6 wrong clicks left. But once you click all these, you hit finished, and it tells you got them all, or it tells you.
So more students can come up after.
Yeah. So each time it adds more to it, and when you click on it, basically that's the only one on that one. You hit that. If you're not finished, it'll go back, and another student have a better shot at clicking on them. And you can have more than one student up here at a time hitting them. Like all these right here, just say you have 2 students up here, they hit different ones, and they basically learn what mixed. It helps them learn what mixed numbers are.
Oh, okay, cool. Thank you so much for the advice. I cannot wait to show this to the students. I bet you they're going to love this.
Oh, you're welcome.
Thank you again. Have a good day. I'll see you later.
All right.
Hey, have you figured out how to use the smart boards yet, since we just got them in our classrooms? Have you been working on your smart board?
Well, I was just showing Crystal that basically this is an interactive game, and to keep the students to where they can come up here and be able to stay interested in it, they can actually go to any of these games. And like this game here, it's a touchscreen game that
awesome.
Basically you can just use your finger as a mouse on the smart board. You start it and go to easy for the students, and then you got like 0, what minus 0 equals 1, and you just click on whatever you think the right answer is. And
this is great. What about, I know my kids are struggling with synonyms and antonyms, so do you think there's any good websites on here that we could do the smart board with?
Yeah, there's this site here that has basically it has all games.
Oh wow, all language arts games. Okay.
So it's basically University of Sioux Falls website.
Okay, so
and they have all the games
pulls
on
right
it
up on the smart board then. Okay.
You can pull it up on the computer or the smart board, and the smart board you can use the smart board as a touch screen instead of having to use your mouse, so you can keep the kids doing what you're
and
trying
they
to
can
show.
walk up and press the screen and.
Yeah, you can try it out.
Okay. All right. ready.
This is antonyms. So basically, antonyms is the opposite, and it says it gives you everything that you're supposed to do.
Very cool. Yeah, this is just what I need for my classroom. Thanks,
and then
Chris.
if you click the back button, it'll take you back to where you need to be.
Okay, very cool. Well, thank you so much for your help. I hadn't had a chance to work on my smartboard yet, but I appreciate your help. Thanks.
Oh, you're welcome.